Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from your Arculus wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. With the latest updates in wallet tech, it's easier than ever, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet and Trust Wallet apps installed on your device and that your accounts are set up correctly. You'll need your Litecoin balance in Arculus ready to go. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Litecoin section in your wallet dashboard. Here, you'll see your current balance and transaction history. Step 2. Select the Withdraw or Send option for Litecoin. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Step 3. In Trust Wallet, go to the Litecoin wallet you want to receive the funds. Tap on the Receive button to generate and copy your unique Litecoin address. Double-check this address to ensure it's correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Head back to Arculus Wallet and paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Step 5. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and final destination. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Step 6. Sit tight. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. You can track it using the transaction ID in both wallets. A quick tip. Always use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication on both wallets to protect your assets. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, check for sufficient funds or contact support. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Litecoin from Arculus to Trust Wallet. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video.